What kind of refrigeration scheme is more suitable for your needs? Large to whole cold chain system, mini to each screw of the refrigerator. From your extraordinary taste to your extreme demanding, whatever it needs, it will understand you more. This is just for your commercial cold chain system. They are born only for you, custom made, customizing the cold chain equipment in 雪中贵族. We know the details of what you need. Deep inside and design of the exclusive refrigeration scheme. Top-grade stainless steel selection in the world. Imported compressor with original packaging. Environmental protection foamed insulation material. Thickened copper cooling unit. Import chip microcomputer control system. Made each product perfect. Laser cutting. Digital control bending. Precise dimension. High densely integrated environmental foaming to ensure the best preservation of temperature. Make the product energetic. Each process is 100% extreme. Through the strict inspection of the whole process, and the overall inspection of the product can satisfy the extreme demanding of the customer. We provide a full range of after-sales service to ensure that each customer is relieved. Pierre from the details. We spare no effort in product. Launched more than 300 sets of solutions involving supermarket, dining, kitchen, baking, medical, and non-standard customized. We have witnessed customers all over the world and have worked with many industry leaders around the world. 雪中贵族, with you all the way. Co-win and create the future. 雪中贵族, customizing the global high-end commercial cold chain system.